Hi everyone, welcome to English News Update from English Academy's YouTube channel. As you can see, we are now standing here right next to the bank of Ogan River, which was flooded yesterday in some area of Batu Raja like Bakung, Pusar, and also the downstream area like the Lubuk Batang and also the Peninjauan. And of course, from the upstream area in like the Ulu Ogan now is actually already subsided. But as you can see, it is still quite high, and on account of the weather, it could be raining or it could be not, and hopefully it is not raining because it will be causing more flooding in Batu Raja. So for you, if you live right next to the banks of Ogan River, be careful because the weather is changing fast, so you have to be ready if the flood occurs. Yeah, as you can see, the volume is still kind of big because of the weather is still, like you can see here, the weather is cloudy now, and in the chance of maybe it's going to be raining soon, but hopefully the raining is not that heavy like yesterday. Okay, so now as you can see that actually the water level already subsided, and there are still some mud left behind from the river that subside, and it could be, if the worst case, the flood will reach up there if the water is really high. So, as you can see now, the river already subsided, but it's still dangerous. As you can see, the river current is really strong. It can drag you down and make you drown in this river if you're not really good at swimming. Yeah, so for the parents, please pay attention to your children. If they want to swim in the river in these conditions, make sure that they don't swim to the middle of the river because it is dangerous. The weather also cloudy, and maybe it's going to be raining soon or later, and hopefully the raining is not really heavy like yesterday because it can make the volume rise again. Now we are at the other part of Ogan River, where, as you can see, the water level is still high, and over there you can see there the two streams of river converge together into one stream, and the volume also still high. It indicates that it is possibly that if the raining is happening in the upstream area, it will be flooding, and hopefully it is not happening. Yeah, and also the other part is still looking that the water level is still strong, high and strong, but still people do their activities because they cannot do anything without the river, because they need the river to do their daily activities like washing and also taking a bath. Hopefully the raining is only here in Batu Raja, not in the upstream area, because normally if the raining is in the upstream area, the floods is certainly will happen in the downstream area. So that's what we are afraid of. Yeah. On the other part of Ogan River is here, actually you can see the river still reaches at the banks now. In this part of the river, you can clearly see how the water level is still quite scary if you can look at this. And also this bridge was the victim of the flood back in 3 years ago. But now the government already rebuilt the bridge, this suspension bridge, so that the people can do the activities again. So hopefully there is no more another flooding in Ogan River. So Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and also share and subscribe these videos. Okay, see you on the next videos. That's from English News Update. See you, bye bye.